tell you, it's pretty good. It's getting better and better. And this is in a 2021 Model 3 with hardware 3. The hardware 4 is even better. I mean, it's just so smooth. This is amazing. It's got to be much safer than driving on your own. It sees everything around your car. This is really cool. I tried it a couple years ago. I wasn't super happy with it, but now 2026, it's good. It's getting right up to speed. Also, you can adjust the quality of it, well, the speed of it. You can go into hurry mode, standard mode, and chill mode. Standard mode is solid on the highway, which speed limit 65. Dialing at about 73 miles an hour, and it's nice. If I'm running late for work, I put it in hurry mode, and it's a little more aggressive, more lane changes. This is the future. Crazy. I'm loving it though. Move that into the middle lane. Not cutting anyone off. Nobody's mad. Nobody's beeping at me. No road rage. It's doing 79 miles an hour. I don't want to go that fast, so you just use this little wheel here, and I can knock the speed down to 75. If you flick it quick, it goes 5 miles at a time. If you go slow, you can do a mile at a time. 75 center lane. Pretty cool. And because of weather, it says full self-driving might not be as good. Well, it's pretty good. I'm not sure what they're seeing. Maybe the lines in the road aren't crystal clear because of all the salt. I mean, the thing about driving on the highway, especially for driving on the highway for an hour or so, you just end up going into a road daze, and you're not paying attention. You almost get tired. This thing is driving absolutely flawless. I've had this car since 2021, almost 5 years now, and the only thing I've done is put a new set of tires on it. It has has about 100,000 miles on it. I still have the original brakes that are, I don't know, they're still at 90%. I never use my brakes because regenerative braking sends energy back to the battery. I did buy new wipers because I live in New England, so the wipers get pretty banged up in the winter time, scraping over the ice and everything. So I replaced the wipers at the end of the winter season. Wiper fluid too. That's, you know, $3. And lifetime oil changes, lifetime. You get them free. Just bring them to the Tesla dealership and they will change your oil for you for free for the life of the vehicle, which is pretty incredible. No, I'm kidding. There's no oil in this car. And what else? Oh, cabin air filter I replaced. That was $15 maybe. So, oh, and I saved about $13,000 in gas after paying for additional electricity. $13,000 in gas savings. Absolutely amazing. You know, $13,000, you could buy yourself a nice, I don't know, Gibson Les Paul Custom, like a 59 reissue. I think they cost about that. I don't know. Or you can bring your kids to Disney for 2 days. That's about $13,000. See, I'd rather be in the middle lane because I don't want to hold up anybody else behind me. Because I'm only doing 75. So maybe if I switch this to chill, I just switched it to chill mode, and it moved over. Ooh, it's going in the slow lane. And now I am doing, let's see, let's set it at 70 miles an hour. So I'm in the slow lane. Ooh, was that a Toyota Camry? Blew by me with all 143 horsepower. Very impressive. Alright, so anyway, it works. It works really well. And again, this is hardware 3 in my car. Hopefully next Tesla I purchase will have hardware 4. I'm going to buy something used, try to save a little money. That's it. Amazing. Peace out.